Good day, everyone. We're going to look at some more building blocks of plane geometry today. And specifically, we're going to be looking at triangles. We know that the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Therefore, A and B and C together make 180 degrees. Therefore, in question number 1, if we want to find x, we can say x equals the 180 for the whole triangle minus the 45 for y and minus the 68 for z. Therefore, x equals 67. In the second example, s is equal to 180 for the whole triangle minus 78 for u minus 72 for t. Therefore, s equals 30 degrees. In our final example, it's a little bit different because we're finding this outside angle. But if we know this inside angle, and we know they're both on this straight line, then we can find the outside one. So I'm going to find out this inside angle first. So we know that f here is equal to 180 for the whole triangle minus 39 for h minus 26 for g. So we get f equals 115. Now we can find x. X is on the straight line with f, so the 180 for the straight line minus the 115 from f equals 65 degrees for angle x. The isosceles triangle is just a special triangle, so the angles still add up to 180, but with an isosceles triangle, these two angles are equal, and these two sides are equal. Notice the pattern of the way that they're equal. So this side is here, and the angle across from it is here, and this side is here, and the angle across from it is here. So if this side and this side are equal, that means this angle and this angle are equal. So, using this idea down here, we know that if B is 34 and this side are equal, that means that this angle and this angle are equal. Okay, so we have to follow those patterns. This side and this side are equal, so this angle and this angle are equal. Therefore, this angle is also 34. And then we can use our 180 degrees for the whole triangle, minus 34 minus 34, and then so that's A, or x I guess, equals, then A equals 112. Alright, similarly on this one, we know if this side equals this side, then angle A equals angle C, so this is 50. I know the whole triangle is 180, so B is equal to the 180. Take away each of those 50s. So B equals 80 degrees. Okie dokie, that's all for now.